Ever had that awkward moment at the end of a dinner date when you and your partner are fumbling with separate cards, trying to split the bill? It's not the most romantic way to end an evening, is it? Or what about planning a trip and trying to keep track of who paid for what? Spreadsheets, endless back and forth messages, and the nagging feeling that you're about to forget something. It takes the fun out of everything. Money and relationships can be a tricky combination, but they don't have to be. In a world where we can instantly share photos, videos, and our lives, why is sharing finances still such a headache? Well, it turns out, it doesn't have to be. Today, we're going to talk about how you can simplify your shared spending with your partner using a tool you might already have in your pocket, Monzo. Monzo isn't just a brightly colored bank card, it's a powerful tool for modern money management, and its features are perfect for couples. The key is their shared tabs and joint accounts. Let's start with shared tabs. This is perfect for those one-off expenses, like a weekend away or that dinner bill we talked about. You can create a tab, add your partner, and then log who paid for what. Monzo does all the maths for you, showing a clear, real-time balance of who owes whom. No more mental gymnastics or forgotten IOUs. It's an easy, low-commitment way to get started. But if you're a couple that's ready to take the next step, a Monzo joint account is an absolute game-changer. It's a completely separate account that you and your partner can both access. You each get your own card, and all transactions are visible to both of you. It's perfect for shared bills like rent, groceries, and utilities. You can even set up direct debits from this account. Instead of one person paying for everything and the other having to transfer money later, you can both contribute regularly and see where every penny is going. It creates a level of transparency and trust that is so important for financial harmony. Think of it this way, the joint account becomes the hub for all your shared life expenses. Your individual Monzo accounts are for your personal spending. This separation makes it incredibly simple to see what's yours, what's theirs, and what's ours. This clarity can help reduce arguments and build a stronger, more trusting financial partnership. So, whether you're just starting out and want to split the cost of a few things, or you're ready to merge your financial lives, Monzo has a solution that's designed to make things easier, more transparent, and less stressful. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.